Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. I just wanted to get back on here and do a quick video, kind of like a little comeback. I just wanted to explain a difference between mega volume and regular volume, because I have seen other girls, at least a couple in my area, or one specifically maybe in my area, that I don't know if she was confused or what, but to me it seems like she believed that mega volume just meant length, like mega length, which I kind of see where she gets confused, but it's not just the length, because she marketed it as like the longer they are, that's like the long ones are mega volume for her, but it's not the point, and it's not the reason, and there's a big difference between both of them, and you have to be really careful with that, because you can really damage plant's lash if you're trying to do a mega volume or a volume lash on if you're trying to do just the length, but with regular volume, the weight on there is going to be way too much for the natural lash to handle, and you can really damage the lashes that way. So typically what you use for regular volume, anywhere from 4 to 70. I mean, 4 like 0.04, 0.05, and 0.07 is what I've seen used for regular volume. And then for mega volume, I think they do the 0.02. I haven't seen those too much, but I think they exist. So 0.02, 0.03, and 0.04 is the max for mega volume, and that's talking about diameter. So I'm just gonna do a little demonstration between the difference of both of them. So for a volume, I have 0.5, and you use anywhere from 2D up to, like, I've seen 10D. That's still regular volume, and I don't know if you can see. So there, that's regular volume fan. It's nice. It's I don't know if you can see it. So that's a regular volume fan. It's not I mean, it's a fan. And then for mega volume, the way you have to use 0.3, because you can get more volume. You can do more lashes with the 0.3 because they're thinner, and they don't weigh as much as like the 0.5s. But the point is that you get more volume with the 0.3. Well, that's a bad fan. So as you can see, this is a mega volume fan. Well, it's not the best mega volume fan, because I still have issues with the pinching. The base is like, oof. Okay, I haven't like glued, I don't have glue, but the mega volume is just way more lashes in there. If you can see, mega volume is a lot more lashes, because you can do that because they're thin. With the volume, it's an 0.5. I definitely don't recommend it. I know some girls do it, which is the reason I'm trying to do this, to see if it'll help anyone out, like explain the difference between mega volume and volume. Because if you do try to do a mega volume set with volume lashes, it's really bad on the natural health, on the health of the natural lash. So just try to understand that, because the lighter they are, mega volume is basically more volume. That's why it's called mega volume, because it's giving you a lot more volume than a regular volume set. But you have to make the lash lighter to be able to support the weight of all that lashes, of the fan, of a mega volume fan. But yeah, so hopefully that helps you in any way. I have to get ready for a client. They're supposed to be here in like the next 5 minutes, so I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick video, hopefully explaining it good enough on the difference between volume and mega volume. Maybe later on I'll do a more updated one or a longer video, but I just wanted to do something because I know I haven't posted in a while, and I've been going back and forth between lashes and brows, like kind of focusing more on either or. But right now I'm focusing on lash extensions, so hopefully I'll keep more focus on that for a little while longer and do more videos. I've been wanting to do one I tried, but then I ran out of storage, and then I had to do it all over again. So this is it. Hopefully it goes up here soon. But yeah, hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I post again. And follow me on Instagram. You can see my work there. I'll leave it all linked below. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.